Thank you very much. Ms. Evans, you're recognized for 5 minutes.
Chairman Luchtenmeyer, Member Clay, Beatty, and subcommittee members, my name is Diane Evans, and I am Vice President of Land Title Guarantee Company, a title insurance agent in Colorado. I joined Land Title Guarantee Company 34 years ago when I opened a branch in my hometown. I also have the privilege of serving as the president of the American Land Title Association, the national trade association representing the abstract, real estate, and land title insurance industry. ALTA has more than 5,400 member companies ranging from small one-person operations to large publicly traded companies. Our industry employs more than 108,000 professionals, and our members have offices in every county in the United States. In 78 days, our industry faces its biggest regulatory change I've seen in my 34 years in the business. I'm talking about the implementation of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's TILA-RESPA Integrated Disclosures, or TRID, as you're hearing it called. As president of ALTA, I've had the opportunity and privilege to travel across the country and talk to lenders, to real estate agents, and to settlement professionals about this new regulation. The main lesson from those conversations is that collaboration is crucial. The new regulation is overreaching, it's expensive, and it's confusing, not only for small companies, but for large companies as well. Implementing TRID requires more than just simply updating our systems for 2 new forms. It requires a paradigm shift in the way we do business, in the way real estate settlements occur across this United States. Our industry will invest almost $1.3 billion to comply with this regulation. After August 1st, if a consumer better understands their transaction, it will be worth it. Let me tell you a little about my company. We've been spending a great amount of time coordinating with our real estate community. We have already trained over 1,000 real estate agents. We've worked with 300 lenders, and we've worked with their employees and over 60 home builder employees to understand this new process. It's taken many of our staff away from their regular jobs of serving home buyers each and every day. There are 2 ways that Congress and the CFPB can help industry implement TRID. First, the CFPB absolutely must fix their requirement that consumers receive inaccurate prices for title insurance. This is the only cost under the new form and under the new rule that the CFPB prevents home buyers from knowing the actual amount they'll pay for title insurance. Purchasing a home is one of the largest investments a consumer makes in their lifetime. Home buyers want and need to know the true cost of that transaction, including the one-time cost of the title insurance premium that protects that investment. TRID fails consumers in that regard. Second, the CFPB should provide a hold harmless period, as we've heard from other witnesses. While the CFPB has provided some helpful assistance on implementation, our members need more time to ensure that process changes demanded by TRID won't result in delays for those home buyers. This is why we strongly support H.R. 2213, and we thank Congressman Pearson Sherman for introducing this legislation. Without that hold harmless period, consumers may experience delays, and realtors, lenders, and settlement agents want to make sure that that doesn't happen. Disruption or delays in real-life transactions don't just affect one family. Its consequences affect more. In a typical transaction, the seller of one house is going to be the buyer of another. The domino effect of one's closing being delayed results in a number of families being stranded, leaving them looking for alternative housing with moving vans sitting in their driveways. Our members conduct closings each and every day and take great pride in helping consumers protect their home ownership. Help us ensure that home buyers leave our offices with keys in hand and better understand the cost of their transaction, including that of title insurance. I appreciate the opportunity to be here and ALTA is eager to serve as a resource. Thank you.